there, they'd love to have you. But areas further south, like here, you don't see too many impacts from the hurricanes anymore. They're pretty much all handled and taken care of. Shelling is really great down here if you've never been to the 10,000 Islands. It's the best in the entire United States. Sanibel used to be the best, but they're still pretty good. They're not the best. Hey, can somebody do me a favor and look up on Google? I don't know if it'll show it or not. I mean, I guess you could call them. But can somebody find out if Capri Fish House takes Apple Pay, or if there's somebody that's in the chat right now that's been to Capri Fish House over here on the Isles of Capri? If they take Apple Pay. Cause I'm going hungry. I'm going hungry. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Megan Cortez, Creations by Cindy Ann. You're about to lose your subs. Make sure, if you don't want to lose them, make sure you have a standard or deluxe. You got a couple days left to get entered into the big giveaway on the 1st. 23 gifts in the last 30 days, Dee Dee Henry. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sam, for the coral. I must have missed something that Meredith said. I don't know. Probably something funny knowing her. Ooh! Look at this. I'm not even going right now. I'm just getting destroyed by the wind and the waves here. Oh, good Lord. I'm standing up. And I'm still getting wet in my face. Ooh. It's only going to be worse when we get around the bend here into the wind. It's going to be rough. It's going to be very rough. Talking about that, Barb, okay? No more talking about that one. None of you. Don't bring up that day again. We like to catch people by surprise on that one. It's just between us. Oh, it's pretty shallow over here. Shallow. A little too shallow. Over here. Not mad, but let's not bring that day up again until after that day happens. We always do our giveaways on the 1st or as close to the 1st of the month as we can. So I'm not guaranteeing anything that it'll be on the 1st. As close as the 1st. Everybody that subscribes for the end of the month that has a standard subscription. Or as a moderator. Moderators get it automatically. Hemingway's going slow. That means the dolphin are still up here. That's what that means. Fish House isn't answering the phone. They're probably too busy. But they do have e-gift cards.